Heather, I love this new construction home. It's right next to the Lake Powell Boat Ramp.
I love it. And being newer construction, it's got beautiful design taste and it's a great rental. Let's go show everybody.
Take me over.
Ample space in this open living room concept. And you know I love a good shiplap. This backsplash, farmhouse sink, the quartz, perfect. And a cute little work nook.
Take me into your arms and take me over. Take me into your arms. Take me over.
Love this spacious primary bedroom suite. Lets in lots of natural light, overlooks a beautiful backyard.
Take me over.
Love this fenced-in, spacious backyard.
And don't forget the awesome playground. For more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to check out all the details.
And that's not all. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.